Hey guys, good evening to all of you. Hope you are doing well. So today, once again, I will discuss with you a job openings from Greece, and it's a European country. Hope all of you know that. So if you have a plan to move European country, then keep watching this video till the end, and let's know what is the job openings from Greece and what is the applying process, what is the basic requirements to apply for this job, and what is the job openings. So after know all these informations, if you are eligible for this job, then you can apply as soon as possible to get a interview call. So let's start. So this is a job openings from Greece, and the job is aluminium fabricators required in Greece. So guys, if you have a those same professionals and if you have the same relevant experience, then you can apply as soon as possible. So let's focus what is the basic requirements, which is very important to know that if you are eligible for this job. So first of all, the qualification is SSC and experience requirements 3 to 5 years on cutting and glass and installing draft and windows. So the thing is, you should have minimum of 3 to 5 years of experience in the relevant field as a fabricators, and you should have SSC qualifications, educational qualifications. The skill is cutting glass and installing doors and windows. This is the important skills you should have to apply for this job. So next, salary will be 780 euro. You can calculate in the Indian currency, so it will be near about 70,000 approx, and food and accommodation provided by the company. So the thing is, if you are really eligible for this job, of course you will get a good salary, and the accommodation on food will be provided by the company. So easy process, immediate temperature, work permit, and South Europe. So for more details and scan documents, contacts and documents required, we require scan documents. Mobile quality image will be rejected. So this is very important point. When you will send your documents, don't take a mobile clicked image. You have to scan in the scanner and you have to forward the given official email ID. So what you need to forward? First of all, you need to forward your updated resume or biodata or CV, and second, ECNR passport. ECNR passport will not be approved. So I hope you all know that what is the difference between ECR and ECNR passport. So if you don't have any idea, you can search on Google that what is the difference between ECR and ECNR passport. So the candidate should have a ECNR passport. So next, experience certificate, and next, this is approved 3 vacant certificates. So this is the basic documents to submit the office. So you have to collect updated resume, ECNR passport, experience certificates, and this is vaccine certificates. So after you collecting all these documents properly, you have to forward in the given official email ID. As you can see here, this is the official email ID, and you can contact by this number. So this is the WhatsApp number also you can contact. So best option, I am providing the official address. So I would like to suggest you please visit to the office and talk with them about the process, about the job openings, and all the details. Then if you'll get satisfied and if you'll think that this is a genuine process, then you can apply on the spot in the office. So this is the official address, this is the official registration number, everything details right here in front of you. So best option I would like to suggest you again, please visit to the office in the official address as you can see here. Then talk with them about all the process and talk about the security of the entire process. Then you can apply on the spot and you can attend the interview. Then you can proceed forward by medical process and visa process. So I hope understanding all the things what I'm sharing. Still, if you have any confusion, you can drop your question in the comment box. I'll try to give the answer. So still, I would like to suggest you please share this information to all of your friends and relatives and candidates who want a job and who have a dream to move Europe with a job. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time. Again, I would like to highlight you. This is urgent vacancies wish and the job openings for aluminium fabricators. And you should have the proper educational qualifications and proper ECNR passport and experience in the relevant field, minimum 3 to 5 years. And after that, you have to collect your GCC certificates, approved vaccine certificates. After that, you have to forward your CV to the given official email ID. And the best option, you have to visit the office to know more about the job openings. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I'll try to give the answer or I'll try to give the informations, all of your answers, everything, so that you can easily get a upload job. And my sincere request, please go to the channel and check each and every videos. If you are really eligible for any of this job, then you can apply as soon as possible. So again, lots of thanks. Best of luck. Goodbye.